To make chocolate-covered strawberry marshmallows, you'll need strawberry powder, gelatin, cocoa, strawberries, sugar, water, and corn syrup. Place 4 ounces of water in a microwaveable bowl and sprinkle over 1 tablespoon of strawberry powder. Then add 2 ounces of gelatin. Stir together and then place this aside. Use a wide deep pot and add 2½ cups of sugar, 1/4 cup of cocoa, and a pint of strawberries. Add 4 ounces of water and 2 ounces of corn syrup. Cook the cocoa syrup to 230 degrees. While this is cooking, you want to melt your gelatin in the microwave for 30 seconds and prepare your pan. When the syrup hits 230 degrees, remove from the stove and add your melted gelatin. Be sure to scrape down the bowl and get all the gelatin out. Stir together and then strain into your mixing bowl. You're going to whip on high speed until it doubles in size. You'll know when it's ready, when it's doubled in size and thick but not too stiff. You'll still be able to pour it and it will flow like lava into your prepared pan. Spread evenly into the pan. And now we're going to add some chocolate drizzle for a little marbling effect. Using a skewer, you'll start to make swirls within your marshmallows, and this will give you a marbled effect. Spray a spatula with non-stick spray and just guide it around the edges of the pan for an easier release. To remove from the pan, spray a piece of parchment paper and place the oiled side of the parchment paper down inside. Sprinkle powdered sugar onto the marshmallows and place a non-oiled piece of parchment paper onto the marshmallows and flip them over so that the marbled side is on top. To cut, you can use a chef's knife, but be sure you spray it again with non-stick spray. Or you can use cookie cutters, and with my cookie cutters I spray them as well. And when you're cutting out with a cookie cutter, make sure that you wiggle it back and forth to get it cut. Metal ones work a little bit better than plastic ones. After you've cut your marshmallows, you want to sprinkle them again with powdered sugar so that the sticky sides that you just cut are sprinkled with the powdered sugar. So on a cocoa one, I would use cocoa and powdered sugar. I usually place them into a bag, shake them in the bag, and then I brush them off individually with a pastry brush. For more tips and tricks on how to make artisan marshmallows from scratch, join my private Facebook group, Marshmallow Flavor of the Month Club.